Hey YouTubers, more Robb Moffett. Guys, today we have a really good meal. It's very inexpensive and very quick, and it's something you wouldn't hesitate to serve company. It's very tasty and very inexpensive ingredients too, and it goes together so quick. It's going to be a really creamy tuna mushroom vegetable pasta dish. We're using the pasta you get at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, $1 of macaroni and cheese. It's surprisingly good, and the ingredients aren't bad. And you're going to boil it for 10 minutes, and then we're going to drain the macaronis, and we're going to make our sauce. The little packet of macaroni and cheese comes with a little foil packet of cheese. So once you remove your macaronis, you can start making your sauce. Now, I also add a tiny bit of milk. I use powdered milk, but you can use whatever milk you want. So once you remove your pasta, after it's finished done, put your cheese into the same pan you made the pasta after you drained everything out, and you're going to add it. You want to have a little heat on the stove on your pan, and then add a can of mushroom soup, and you're also going to add a tiny bit of milk, about 1/3 of a can. Like I said, I use powdered milk, but you use whatever you want. And I'm frugal. I have to get everything out of the can. I'm realizing that after I watch my videos. So I'm a tightwad. Boy, look at that guy. Gets everything out. Yeah, the dog would be unhappy. So mix up your sauce and start adding your other ingredients. Usually I add a lot of ingredients to my recipes. There's very few ingredients in this recipe. In fact, there's not even any salad olives. I know you probably had to sit down for that one. But so now after the sauce is done, you want to start adding your other ingredients, your spices, not too many spices. We're going to add some onion powder, not onion salt, onion powder, and little parsley flakes, because we're going to be adding some garlic. I always add parsley with my garlic. And I've got garlic powder here, but if you had chopped up garlic, this would be the perfect dish to have some nice chopped up fresh garlic. The flavor, it makes a nice combination. Now add a whole can of drained button mushrooms, which are really healthy for you. And now you can use chopped up fresh ones if you want, but I end up just buying the canned ones all the time. Now about 3/4 can of peas. I had opened up earlier and used some. You don't want to add too many peas. You don't want the peas to overpower. Sometimes those peas are pushy, they'll try to take over the whole dish. You want them for accent and flavor, not to make the whole thing a pea dish. Add your cooked macaroni. I like the little shell macaroni for this particular dish. Blend it all in together. Now this dish is going to taste even better the next day. And after it's done, you want to let it sit for like 15 minutes. Let it kind of marry all the flavors. Now, we're going to be adding the vegetables we put in the steamer and the microwave. We microwave them for 4 minutes. I don't like to boil my vegetables because then you lose a lot of the nutrients. And steaming is probably the best way to go. Now, add the can of tuna, which is surprisingly good. And mix it up, and you're just about done. And this is something you could give company in a heartbeat. It's a very good flavor, nice fresh ingredients, and it's good the next day. And you can eat it cold too. That's a sign of good food. You can eat it hot or cold. It feels funny not adding salad olives too. I'll survive. I may have added a tiny bit of turmeric to the water to make the shell pasta turn a little bit more orange, or maybe even to the sauce. There you go, guys. It's a nice little dish that goes together really quick. It's healthy for you. It tastes good. Hope this was something you like. Put in new videos every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over 800, 900 videos. A bunch of cool people featured on my channel. Relax me and they've not me. And y'all come back and watch more. See you out there.